It's giving Little Mermaid. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about this beautiful wig from UNICE. So this is the T-Pard lace 14-inch ginger color body wave wig. First of all, can we get into this color? She's definitely giving a Little Mermaid vibes. I'm absolutely loving it. So this is the unit straight out of the packaging. I didn't add any other curls to it. However, I may, but for now, I just wanted something quick and easy, and she is definitely that. So this is the T lace part. I did put a little bit of the ORS olive oil wig grip gel on it. So this is all that I use on this unit. Did a little finger combing, a little brushing with one of my wet brushes, and these are the waves. This is a 14-inch unit. Absolutely loving this color. Probably will add some curls to it at some point, but for now, this is what she's given. So let me show you exactly how I installed this unit. Keep on watching. The installation of this unit was super easy. Cut off the lace in the front. There was some lace in the back, not sure why, but I also cut that off. Added a little bit of the gel, tied it down, and this is the look. Give you a quick 360. So again, I am probably going to go in with my curlers and maybe do some wand curls, but the beach waves are definitely giving a vibe for now. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.